So I'm here. He does exactly what we did on the other one. Throws his legs, but he grips his own hand. When he grips his own hand, get to exceed Corbin, get to exceed Thomas, you can't see through my legs. You'll have a hard time. I shave, can you see Mattie? I shave his arm underneath the elbow and grab my own hand. Okay? Now it doesn't look like it, I'll show you in a second, but now he's in a kimora. Okay? Now all I have to do is sink my hips out and bring his elbow toward his ear. Okay, now because your hands are locked together, are you going to be able to tap with your hands? So what do we tap with? And verbal tap, okay? I like the verbal tap because then you don't get confused with your neighbor not to get your arm up. Okay? And so again on this one, he throws his legs and gets his grip. When he gets his grip, I shave behind the elbow. See, I'm coming in close. I grab my own hand. I'm going to sprawl out away from him. It's kind of like a sprawl, but I'm upside down. I'm going to go towards Sawyer and Tristan. And what I do, I lift his elbow to his ear. So it's hard to see, but see how his arms bend? What lock is that? That's a kimora. So when I sink my hips away, it pushes on this side. And when I lift, it pulls on this side. So I'm getting a kimora from a different position, a different lock. Okay, so it looks a little different. It's hard to see because we're so locked in. But you're basically putting them in a kimora. Okay? So again on this one, I have my head and arm. I lock it in good, but he grabbed his hand. I'm going to shave behind the elbow. Grab my own hand. I sprawl toward you, away from him. Now I don't want to push toward him. If I push toward him, what happens? He rolls me over like he was intending to. So I gotta make myself a longer lever. I have to go away from him and then lift the elbow. Okay? Yeah. So don't push into him, pull away from him. Okay? Anyone need to see it one more time? Very good. On 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'll take you through 3 and then we're going to do another minute of it. Okay, go quick though, we're behind Randy and me. Same start position we started last time. Head that way, feet that way, and hold her on this side. So you got head and arm. They throw their legs and lock their hands together. Keep your hand grabbed the whole time, okay? When they lock their hand, you're going to shave behind the elbow with your thumb side. Make sure it's your thumb side. Then grab your own hand and slowly sprawl away as you lift their elbow. Okay, again, verbally tap because it's supposed to keep the grab. Okay? So again, they start all over. They grab their hand, shave their elbow, grab your own hand, and sprawl and lift with the kimora. And again, each time you gotta let go. So they grab their own hand, shave the elbow, be all the way sideways, Abby. Grab your own hand. You haven't done what I said. You shouldn't have the padlock now. You should be grabbing your own hand. Your bottom hand grabs your top hand. And then you're going to sprawl and lift. Now on your own, over and over for a minute. You may begin. Stay sideways for me, Abby.
gotta slide it underneath though. You gotta be sneaky.
Guys are tapping out, not slapping out. And again, since your hand's locked, you should be verbally tapping. Wow, was that a verbal tap after I just said it? Try again and see if I need push-ups or not. Show me if you're ready.
You gotta slide, son.